Hi, I'm Chris Voorhees, Executive Sous Chef here at Contemporary Catering, and I'm going to show you how to make a classic Sangria Punch. Start off with some ice, your shaker, about 6 ounces of a nice red wine. This is actually a 2006 Meritage from Napa County, only the best. I think that's 6 ounces, and we'll go 2 more. Remember, all these amounts of liquids and alcohol is always subjective. I like mine a little bit stronger. Next, we'll take a brandy, about a 2 ounce pour of brandy. Pour that in. Do some fresh sliced peaches. We got some fresh sliced black plums and some grapes. And we're ready to shake. Combine all those together in your shaker. Give them a good shake. And pour. There you are. I'm Chris, and that's how you make a classic Sangria Punch.